Brayden, can you show Mommy how you use your fork? Are you using your fork? Good job! Uh-oh. Yay! Good job! Do it again. Uh-oh. Good job! Yay! Mommy's so proud of you. Good job using your fork. You use your fork, not Mommy's fork. Good job using your fork. Uh-oh, it fell. That's okay. Yay! Good boy. Say, I'm a big boy. Say, I'm a big boy. You're silly. You're silly.